Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do English practice, and today I'm going to do one listening practice, and I have already uploaded one video on YouTube. So just seeing out what are the things which I can improve in my English speaking, and so just checking out and picking out one video which I've already uploaded. Just hold a second. I'm going to basically see this video because there are multiple
Hi
mistakes
everyone.
I've done in this video, and just finding out what are the things which I can improve in upcoming days. So let's move forward this video little bit, and from here
In
we are
public
going to
transport,
start.
but one time which times I have taken public transport, but one multiple times I have taken public transport, but one time which I remember is while going to my hometown, there is one basically movement which I actually know, and it was around like by the train which I've went to my hometown, and there I found out one person who is become my friend while going to basically to my hometown, and he is also from Uttarakhand. So we both interested in a one field, and we do have a lot of chit chat while moving towards our hometown, and that is the basically enjoyable thing which we done, and we got basically friend um, after that conversation, and we do have a same interest regarding like trading activities. So we kept talking about that, and it was just feel like it was like the journey was around 6 to 9 hours, but while we are talking it feel like uh, we haven't basically traveled, and there is a lot of by going public transport it feel like a lot of cheaper. And so yeah, this was a time around summers when I visited to my hometown, and after that we become friend, and we both basically follow us, and we keep motivate us towards achieving our journey, so achieving our goals. So this was all about the cue card. I think I feel like I should need to basically work more on cue card.
So this is very much a thing which I need to focus more on. I think in this particular video, which I found out that I didn't prepare too much, and there is a lot of things to be needed to speak in particular topics, such as like we need to describe more and need to give insight of travel. And basically, I am talking about like visiting to my hometown. So there are a lot of things which I can speak on it, but yeah, I haven't spoken about that. So this is the thing which I feel like lack of basically content. I basically stuck while speaking, and there is lot of I feel like less energetic I am because in previous video I've seen my videos where I've spoken very confidently, but some sort of videos which I feel like I didn't give my 100%, which I want to do basically. So that's why I uploaded video every day. So on this today's video, that is it, and this is a listening practice, and that is also most important because if you want to build confidence, so you need to basically listen yourself. You need to understand your thoughts, and you need to believe in yourself that you are the one who is going to do the work for you. So on this note, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. So don't forget to watch my previous video as well. Bye bye. Have a good day.